Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, having a dash cam isn't just an option. It's your best defense against insurance fraud and unexpected road incidents. We're counting down the top 5 best-selling dash cams on the market to help you decide which one belongs on your windshield. Before we dive in, here is how to choose the right one. First, prioritize the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor. It's the gold standard for reading license plates in low light. Second, look for a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery to ensure the camera lasts longer and handles heat better. Finally, check if it's true 4K. Clearer pixels mean better evidence when it counts. Coming in at number 5, it's the Terunsoul 4K plus 4K dual dash cam. This is the ultimate box-to-windshield solution for those who want everything included without a high price tag. What makes this stand out is the sheer value. It comes with a 128 GB memory card pre-installed, so you're ready to record the second you open it. It features a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which is much faster than standard 2.4 GHz bands, allowing you to download accident footage to your phone in seconds. While the 4K is interpolated, it's still sharp enough for general daytime coverage and fault determination. Users love how beginner-friendly it is. It has a large 3-inch screen and a simple mounting system that doesn't require a degree in engineering to install. If you're looking for a reliable, all-inclusive budget setup, the Terunsoul is a great starting point. At number 4, we have the REDTIGER F17 3-channel dash cam. This is our top pick for rideshare drivers or families who want 360-degree protection. The F17 records the front, the rear, and the cabin all at the same time. The interior camera uses infrared LEDs, meaning it can see passengers clearly even in pitch-black darkness, a must-have for Uber and Lyft safety. Because it records 3 streams, it generates a lot of heat, but REDTIGER used a supercapacitor to ensure it doesn't fail during long shifts in the sun. It also features 5G Wi-Fi and a helpful app for managing your files. While the front resolution takes a slight dip to power all 3 cameras, the trade-off for total situational awareness inside and out is well worth it for professional drivers. Moving to number 3, it's the ROVE R2 4K Dual. This is the successor to one of the most popular dash cams ever, and they've fixed the biggest flaws of the previous version. The big news here is the upgrade to the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor and a supercapacitor. The suction cup mount is a standout feature. Most dash cams use permanent adhesive, but ROVE lets you move the camera between cars easily, which is perfect for travelers or rental cars. It also has a full 360-degree swivel, so you can point it at your window during a traffic stop. Backed by excellent US-based support, the R2 4K Dual is reliable, flexible, and much better at handling the summer heat than its predecessors. Coming in at number 2, we have the 70mm A810. If you are a stickler for visual quality, this is the one for you. The A810 uses the Sony IMX678 sensor, which provides true native 4K. Unlike cheaper models that stretch the image, this captures 8 megapixels of raw detail. You'll notice the difference in the clarity of distant street signs and license plates 3 lanes over. It also features AI motion detection, which can identify a human approaching your car while parked, saving you from thousands of false alerts from blowing trees. The app is one of the most polished on the market, making it easy to edit and share clips. Just a heads up, it uses a battery rather than a capacitor, so it's best suited for those who park in garages or live in more moderate climates. And finally, at number 1, the VIOFO A229 Plus. This is the enthusiast's choice for ultimate reliability and evidence capture. VIOFO took a different approach here. Instead of just focusing on the front, they put high-end Sony SDARVIS2 sensors in both the front and the rear cameras. This is crucial because many accidents are rear-end collisions, and the A229 Plus is the best at taming headlight glare to read plates behind you. It uses a flush, wedge design that sits right against the glass, making it nearly invisible from the outside. With a supercapacitor for extreme heat resistance, buffered parking mode that records before an impact, and ultra-precise quad-mode GPS, it is the most reliable tool for your safety. If you want the best possible protection that won't let you down, the VIOFO A229 Plus is our top choice. Thanks for sticking around. Hopefully, this helped you figure out which dash cam suits your needs. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Check the links in the description to see the current deals. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.